We're hunting for the next killer app on the Apple Vision Pro headset. Want to translate conversations from a foreign language in real time? Well, this augmented reality app can help. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Now, it's called Navi. It's an app for Apple Vision Pro headset that can translate spoken language and even transcribe into your native tongue. The translation is then projected into the real world in a handy, easy-to-see interface. Now, those translations populate your vision with text in real time, which appears in a bubble next to the speaker's face.
We zijn er 3 dagen geweest en we hebben vooral heel veel lekker gegeten. En we zijn naar een paar wijngaarden gegaan.
Navi can help you communicate with locals while you're, for example, traveling in a foreign country in their native language. Well, just remember this. Wearing the Vision Pro may create some distance with people you're with. Duh. Because you're just going to be a fool if you're taking this out in public. But if you explain to people, hey, let me use this to translate, you got a winner there. This app, though, could also help hearing impaired people translate the spoken word without the need for an interpreter, which is pretty powerful. Using the Navi in augmented reality requires a few things to get working. This is where it gets tricky. An Apple Vision Pro headset, an external Apple device like an iPhone, a subscription to the Navi, and at least one other person with those 3 things. The subscription to Navi costs either $3.99 a week or $8.99 a month and can only be used with other people who have a subscription. Ready to bring your Apple Vision Pro on your next trip abroad? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? You can get it for free by hitting the little red button.